Hey, what's up, everyone? Good to have you back. Welcome to Senor Tops. Gonna do a 2020 Baseball Series 2 Hobby Box personal opening. I've been excited to finally rip some of this product for personal. Obviously, looking for Luis Robert, who's driven the price of this product way up. It wasn't that much when it first came out, but now these are going for, I want to say, about 120. Yeah, 120, 130 maybe. So, yeah, excited, and let's do it. Let's do it. By the way, guys, I'm doing a Raz on my Instagram for this 1985 Yordan Alvarez. If anyone's interested in that, it's $5 a spot, 10 spots total. It's a good deal. If you are interested, make sure to check out my Instagram at Senor Tops. So let's do this. Yes. Oh, yes. So pumped. Let's go. I just got this today, and I was like, oh man, I need to do some personal stuff. So looking for Robert, Akiyama. Let's see who else. Yu Chang. Yeah. So not the best rookies in here, but still some good rookies. Obviously, the Robert drives makes everyone go crazy. There's our silver pack. All right, let's do it. First pack, here we go. Jeff Mathis, Nick Whitgren, Gomes, Reddick, Maldonado, Cave, Stewart, Kemp, Eduardo Escobar, Xander Bogaerts, Jose Rodriguez, and it looks like our hit is the first pack out the jump, Even Nova, and Freddie Freeman. Let's see who the... Feels like an auto. I don't know. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. They gave me a top certified autograph issue with no auto. Oh, that sucks. There's no auto, see? There's supposed to be an auto right there. Oh, man. That sucks. 1985 Topps Baseball. I mean, I love this card. But there's no auto on there. He must have forgot to sign this one. Oh, damn it. That's a bummer. Well, hopefully we get a bunch of Roberts. Dang, that's a bummer. I've never had that happen. Auto with no auto. Canley, Dobnak, who's actually pretty good. Charlie Morton, Brault, Shogo Akiyama, there we go. Seth Magis Brian, Ford, Stalling, Williams Astudillo, AJ Pollock, David Bednar, Steven Strasburg Gold, that's kind of nice. Albert Pujols and Shed Long. Steven Strasburg Gold. That's not bad. Oh man, I'm so bummed about that. Oh, that's a killer. That is a killer. I don't know. If I reach out to Topps, will they even do anything about that? I don't know. Should I reach out though? I mean, I kind of should, I feel like, but do people think? Because that sucks. I mean, I did not expect that. Usually anticipating good shit, or good stuff, sorry. Excuse the language. Alright, here we go. Julio Urias, Jacob Junis, Kevin Kiermaier, Chatwood, Harold Ramirez, Dylan Betances, Justin Smoke, McBroom, Sale, Robbie Ray, Chicago White Sox, Dylan Moore, Gold, Tom Eshelman, and Keen Wong. Keen Wong, that's a good one too. Dylan Moore. Wow. Shock. I'm in shock. Wow. Alright, here we go. Willie Calhoun, Knapp, Nomar Mazara, Kevin Cron, Sogard, Victor Reyes, Luis Severino, Justin Upton, Anthony Desclafini, San Diego Padres, Javi Baez, Southside Swag, Jimenez Anderson, Celebrate Home Run, Foil, that's nice, Gratterall, that's a good one, Michael Taylor. Gratterall looks really good. Sox fans are like, whoa. Yeah, we need pitching. I don't know what. Hauser, Wilson Ramos, Garrett Stubbs, Yu Darvish, Seattle Mariners, Bryant, Robert Duggar, Domingo Leyba, good one. Freed, Derek Rodriguez, Miguel Sano, Warriors of the Diamond, Clayton Kershaw, Joey Wendell, rookie, and Cole Hamels. Sorry guys, let me just get this together. There we go. Wow, this break is not going the way I thought it was gonna go. That's funny. Jake Fraley, Michael Wacha, Austin Hayes, O'Hearn, Barrett, Darwinzon Hernandez, Miami Marlins, Manny Pina, Joe Musgrove, Marcelo Zuna, Michael Lorenzen, Kyle Lewis, 1985 design, that's a good one. Sleeve that up. Very nice. That's a very good looking card. Did I already go through these? Yeah, yes I did. I think there was 2 left in that. And those 2 were Mike Folinewicz and Scott Oberg. Alright. Here we go. Mitch Keller. Danny Mendick. Nice. Christian Walker. Walker Buehler. Trevor Story. Lance Lynn. I think I'm going to save that one. That inaugural season is nice. Alex Cobb. Cincinnati Reds. Giants. Revved Up. Jonathan Hernandez. Tim Lincecum. 2000's decade best. It was definitely one of the best. Jurickson Profar. And is this a sharp print? 099. It is not. I like that photo though. This is just our insert. Alright. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Wow, what a box, huh? Chad Wallach, Sean Manea, Carlos Carrasco, Josh James, Bomba Brothers, Three's Company, Three's Company, Rich Hill, Justin Dunn, rookie, nice. Aledimis Diaz, Harrison Bader, Byron Buxton, Ricky Henderson, it's a cool card, Victor Robles Gold Cup, and Jose Altuve. I like that card a lot. All right, keep it moving. Here we go. Luis Urias, Steven Piscotty, Michael Franco, Ender Inciarte, Salvador Perez, Kenya, Will Myers, Kevin Newman, Future Stars, Brian O'Grady, Garrett Cole, Adam Duvall, Matt Olson, black. That should be numbered. That's out of 299. That's very nice. That's nice. Matt Olson, black. Very nice. So the 84 or the 85 inserts are treating me well this box, except for that missed auto. That was cooked. As you can see, I like the 85s. Okay, here we go. Willie Castro, Noah Syndergaard, Billy McKinney, Dallas Keuchel, Garrett Hampson, Eddie Rosario, Nathan Eovaldi, Josh Donaldson, Philly Special, Roll Out the Barrel, Brock Burke, Dexter Fowler, Gold, Elvis Andrus, and Tony Wolters. Come on, there's got to be one Robert in here. Come on, come on. Dakota Hudson, Pablo Lopez, Ian Happ, Miguel Andujar, Detroit, Arizona, Emmanuel Clase, that's a good one. Ronnie Rodriguez, Jake Bowers, Newcomb, Lou Brock. Not sure if this is anything. Oh, I think this might be a short print of Lou Brock. Very nice. Very nice. Don't imagine this is worth a lot, but still, very nice short print. Nice, nice, nice. Brandon Workman. Okay. And then Raimel Tapia and Gio Gonzalez to round out the pack. Francisco Mejia, Robertson, Porcello, Nimmo, Jack Mayfield, Drew Steckenrider, Odor, Dylan Moore, Sogard, Victor Reyes, Luis Severino, Upton, Melanson, and Howie Kendrick. Wow, is this just a base pack? No insert. Yeah, I guess so. Cool. Cool. It's kind of a dud. It's alright. I'll get the next one. Here we go. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can see this. Hunter Harvey. Just adjust the camera real quick. Trevor Williams, Dexter Fowler, Goodwin, Orioles, Rangers, walk-off winners, Shogo Akiyama, there's another one, that's nice. Mike Ford, this is Seth Mejias Breen, Jacob Stallings, Jose Canseco, Eric Hosmer, and Travis d'Arnaud. Hopefully the Topps Chrome Break goes better than this. Well, at least the autos. Brett Gardner, Duffy, McCutcheon, Stroman, Kiner Falefa, Dickerson, Bassett, Sparkman, Hyunjin Ryu, Barrett, Darwinzon Hernandez, Player of the Decade, Mike Trout. Oh, that's kind of nice. Dry for 5. What's that mean? MVPs? It's kind of a cool card. It's probably worth nothing. And then Jose Trevino and Avisail Garcia. Avisail. Alright, here we go. Come on, guys. Come on. Zunino, Kella, Albies, Slater, Desclafini, Padres, Bomba Brothers, Threes Company, Hill, Dunn. I feel like I've seen this pack already. Aledimis Diaz, sorry. Christian Yelich, Miguel Rojas, and Danny Jansen. Alright, here we go, guys. Cespedes, Norris, Scope, Adrianza, Beatty, Daza, Anderson, Camargo, Pittsburgh Pirates, Southside Swag, Luis Robert. So Topps now. I'm not sure. I ask this every time. Are these worth anything? But I mean, it's a Luis Robert, so. Luis Robert, anything's good, right? Willie McCovey, Colton Wong, and Kwang Hyun Kim. Kwang Hyun Kim from Korea, South Korea. I'm gonna see that one up. Never know. Nice. Good to get the international rookies. here we go. Lamonte Wade Jr., Dinelson Lamet, Chris Shaw, Pedro Severino, Williams Astudillo, AJ Pollock, David Bednar, Trevor Story, Lance Lynn, Alex Cobb, Cincinnati Reds team card, Nolan Arenado. I love these inserts. They just look so nice, don't they? Really do. Okay, Wilkerson and Bundy. Alright, so we're still looking for Robert. We got gypped on the auto. So yeah. You know, the expression, you win some, you lose some. So, I don't know. We'll see. Romine, Brantley, Perez, Ozuna, Marlins, Pina, Musgrove, Marcel Ozuna, Michael Lorenzen, Tigers, D-backs, Juan Soto. That's a good one. Tom Murphy, and Strasburg. Very nice. I like that Soto a lot. Who knows, maybe in 2030 after it's all said and done. Never know where he's going to be. Kyle Garlick, Vince Velasquez, Jorge Soler, who just keeps hitting home runs, Giancarlo Stanton, Harrison Bader, Byron Buxton, Garrett Hampson, Rosario, Eovaldi, Donaldson, Philly Special, Luis Robert. Finally got one Luis Robert. That's great. That is awesome. Okay. Let's keep it up. Very nice. And then the other two, Spencer Turnbull and Jose Ramirez, who's been pretty hot this season. He's hitting home runs too. Jose Ramirez. Okay, so we pulled one Robert. Wasn't the base, but pulled two actually. The tops now, and then the 2030 insert. Roark, Luplow, Wade Miley. I'm surprised he's still in the league. Wilson Contreras, Blue Jays, Karinchak, Gossman, Jordan Hicks, Eric Lauer, Dawel Lugo, Sheldon Noyce, Cody Bellinger, Reynaldo Lopez, and Colby Allard. Yeah, tops. I don't know what's up with the quality control. I'm still shocked about that auto. Wow. John Berti, Chad Pinder, Archie Bradley, Blake Snell, Roll Out the Barrel, Brock Burke, Isaiah Kiner Falefa, Alex Dickerson, Bassett, Sparkman, Hyunjin Ryu, Warriors of the Diamond, Mike Schmidt, Jason Hayward, and Dom Nunez. Got 3 packs left, y'all. and well, 4 including the silver. So, all right, here we go. Ryan Brazier is pitching. I feel like he's always blowing it. Sam Caviglio, Brett Phillips, Elvis Luciano, Jake Odorizzi, Tampa Bay Rays, Rockies, Andrelton Simmons, Hader, Means, Kansas City Royals, role reversal, Reggie Jackson, outfield, Clint Frazier, and James McCann. All right, 2 packs left. 2 packs left, y'all. Lance McCullers, Delino DeShields, Gio Urshela, Luis Rengifo, Emmanuel Clase, Ronnie Rodriguez, Jake Bowers, Sean Newcomb, Matt Beattie, Jonathan Daza, Nick Anderson, Gold Cup, Matt Olson, Charlie Blackmon, and Logan Webb. Alright, y'all. Last pack. Last pack. Never give up hope. Never give up hope, y'all. Felix Hernandez, G-Man Choi, Corey Kluber, Dustin Pedroia, Giants, Revved Up, Jonathan Hernandez, Jack Mayfield, Drew Steckenrider, Rougned Odor, Dylan Moore, Texas Rangers 1990s best teams, Eugenio Suarez, and Ryan McMahon. Wow. Wow. That was wild. I think this was the wildest part. All you gotta do is laugh at this. Received an autograph with no autograph. What's going on, Topps? Alright, silver pack. Man, that was a tough hit. That's a tough one. Mauricio Dubon. It's a good rookie. Sheldon Neuse, Noah Syndergaard, and Eloy Jimenez. Damn it, not the right White Sox. Dubon is good. Well, guys, there you have it. No autograph or relic, so yeah, I guess I took one for the team, I guess, if you want to call it. I don't know. That's all I'm gonna chalk it up to, because I can't explain it. I don't know what happened. I don't know if he left before he was supposed to finish the autographs. He was like, yo, I'm out. I can't do this no more. I don't know what happened, but yeah, it's I don't know, guys. I don't know what to say. A little shocked, but it's all right. You know, stuff happens. So I guess I can go through some of the better stuff we pulled. And by better, I mean just like inserts and stuff like that. You know, Cody, the 2030s were nice. Noli, Belly, Luis Robert. I don't even think this is worth anything, but nice to have. Player of the Decade, Mike Trout. Brandon Workman foil. Dexter Fowler gold. Southside Swag foil. Dylan Moore gold. Steven Strasburg gold. Not bad. Sheldon Neuse Mauricio Dubon. Luis Robert, 2030. That's a good one. Juan Soto, 2030. Kwang Hyun Kim. Lou Brock, short print. Matt Olson, that was out of 299. And then a Kyle Lewis, 1985 rookie. So actually going through those, that's actually not a bad hobby box. It's just when stuff like this happens, it just doesn't leave a good taste in your mouth. But hey, what can I do? I'm just a tiny fish or something like that. I don't know. I guess I'm trying to make it better, but yeah, there it is, guys. Well, let me know what you guys think the best card that I pulled was, and yeah, make sure to check out any other videos on my profile, and make sure to like and subscribe. I can't stress that enough, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you next time. I'll probably be doing 2020 Topps Chrome for the next video, so stay tuned for that. And oh, make sure that if anyone's interested in the Raz for the 1985 Yordan Alvarez PSA 10, check out my Instagram at Senor Topps. I'm running a Raz for that. So yeah, thank you guys, and make sure to stay safe. Peace.